Hello and welcome back to COEPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you business analyst opportunities across IT, AI, banking, and pre-sales, covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. GigHerd's IT Solutions in Bangalore is hiring business analysts with 2 years of experience in banking and financial services with lending domain and stakeholder management experience. Sahai Consultancy in Ahmedabad is hiring business analysts with 0 to 2 years of IT experience, focusing on process analysis, business insights, reporting, and project coordination. Expert in Asia in Indore is hiring business analysts with 0 to 1 years of IT experience. Freshers can apply with a face-to-face interview opportunity. GSS Software in Jaipur is hiring a BA with 1+ year of experience in pre-sales, focusing on RFPs, proposals, client discussions, and solutioning. Virinsoft Technologies in Ahmedabad is hiring business analysts with 2 to 4 years of experience in IT and pre-sales, with face-to-face interviews and local candidates preferred. Examind Solutions in Pune is hiring a BA with 3+ years of experience in Salesforce, requiring CRM, UAT, and Agile experience. Simplify Softtech in Bangalore is looking for business analyst interns with 0 to 2 years of IT experience, with a 3-month internship and PPO opportunity for freshers. Herbal Creations in Haldwani, Uttarakhand is looking for business analyst with 1+ year of experience in IT, requiring BRD, UAT, testing, Jira or Azure DevOps, and basic SQL API knowledge. IV Mobility Solutions in Chennai and Bangalore are hiring for business analysts with 0 to 2 years of experience in IT and AI, involving SQL, Power BI, Tableau, GenAI, and LLM prompts. Globally Web Solutions in Jaipur is looking for business analysts with 0 to 1 year of IT experience, focusing on client requirements, software projects, and freelance platforms. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with COEP. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching and we will see you next week.